Hi, firsties. So today in math, you're going to need your scissors, and you're actually going to need 2 pages from your math workbook. You're going to need page 173. It looks similar to mine, but a little different. Mine's already partially cut. Yours is obviously not cut yet. And then you need page 175 as well. And then we're going to do 176. Okay. So on page 173, the directions say, cut out the cards. Which bugs have legs? Which bugs do not have legs? Sort the bugs. And they have the word sort highlighted because they want us to discuss what that means. To sort something means you put them into groups according to what they have in common. So you guys have sorted words before, and in fact, on another seesaw activity today, you're sorting long O words into 2 categories as to whether they have the bossy E or if they're just 2-letter words. Well, we're going to first sort our bugs into a group with legs and then into another group that does not have legs. Okay, so job 1 is to cut on the dotted line, cut all your cards out. And then you're going to put them into 2 groups. One group with legs, one group without legs. Now, I didn't cut this part out on purpose because I want to have different numbers than you actually have. I want to show you how to complete your work, but I didn't want to give you all the answers. So I'm just going to set this to the side so that I have different numbers, okay? But you're going to use all of them. So I need to make 2 groups. Let's see, legs, no legs, 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 no legs, no legs, legs, legs. Oops, no legs, I mean. Okay, so I just sorted my cards. Again, you will have more than me, but we're just going to use these ones as the example that we do together. Once you have them sorted, then you need to get page 175. And on this page, it says, I'm going to move the camera a little closer. Up at the top, it says, use circles in 5 groups to record. Write how many in each group. Okay, so we're going to count how many of our bugs have legs, how many of them don't have legs. And then instead of just writing the number, we're going to represent these bugs with circles. It would take a long time to draw each one of these bugs and add all the detail. So instead of drawing the bugs, we're just going to draw circles, okay? And so I'm going to count how many of my bugs have legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in the legs category, I need to draw 7 circles, but don't forget, in the directions, it said make groups of 5s. So 7 is greater than 5, so I know I'm going to have at least one group of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my group of 5, but now I need to keep going until I get to 7. 6, 7. So I have 5, and then these are my leftover ones that I also needed to include. But now I have 5, 6, 7. This represents the 7 bugs that have legs. Need to do the same thing for no legs. No legs, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on this one, I'm just going to draw one group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And write the number in the box. Okay, down below it says use the data to complete. And again, data is highlighted. It's a word that we need to discuss. Data is the information that we have gathered. We've gathered the information that I have 7 legs and 5 without legs. How many bugs in all? We're going to add these 2 numbers together. So I'm going to just count on here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again, your numbers are going to be different because you're going to have more bugs to sort. So don't use these numbers. Ring the group with more bugs. Ooh, legs has more bugs. So ring just means to circle. Circle the group that has more bugs. Cross out the group with fewer bugs. Well, 5 is fewer than 7, so I'm going to cross out this group. Okay, after you do page 175, then you're going to sort them another way. So on the back side, you're going to use circles and 5 groups to record. Write how many in each group. Okay, so this time you're sorting in 3 categories and by color. You're going to have a brown group, a red group, and a black group of bugs. You'll have 3 groups, and then you'll draw your groups of 5s in your circles. Write the number of each color and then answer the questions like we did on the previous page. Okay, so this time on the back you would sort by color. So I'd have a red group. I don't know about this ant, you guys. I think the ant is supposed to be black. I'm going to put him in the black group. And we have a brown group. Okay, so again, yours will look differently because you'll have more cards, but I just sorted them into 3 categories according to the color they are. And then I would record my data and use that data to answer the questions. Okay, when you are all finished, please take a picture of both pages 175 and 176 and submit your work.